This is Christian. He works in production for a leading manufacturer of glass packaging. Until now, Christian had to spend a lot of time searching for maintenance documents and spare parts lists. Paperwork and complicated communication channels were part of the daily routine. With Zmart360 from Zippe, that's a thing of the past. A simple scan of the QR code on the machine or entering it into the web app now provides easy and convenient access to all essential information. Zmart360 offers anytime access to the latest plant documentation, maintenance schedules, spare parts lists, and allows direct service and parts requests anytime, any place. Thanks to the powerful AI-supported features, the Zippe service can already today, and Christian in the near future, even ask the system open-ended questions and in over 60 languages. Christian can easily check the current status of his service case. Additionally, he will also be able to access Zippe's experience and past service cases directly. The AI will support him by providing relevant information from similar cases of other systems, so he will always have the best solutions at hand. The benefits? Shorter response times, faster resolution of technical issues, and more efficient, constantly available documentation. This saves time and minimizes downtime. And thanks to the 24/7 availability of Zmart360, Christian is always one step ahead. And this is just the beginning. With Zmart360 and powerful AI feature, the future of modern plant management is wide open, as the system continuously evolves by learning from new data. With Zmart360 from Zippe, service and maintenance for your Zippe batch and cullet plant, as well as all individual machines, will be easier, more efficient, and more convenient.